somebody had called it, but it has thinner buttons inside, but probably it's other resolution. Basement. One round is enough, but it's still nice. Or maybe I can take 2 rides still, because only the gas station has been replaced. It can set the call. It processes exempted kilograms. These headers are traction, but many 6-floor tall buildings have rope track headers in Sweden. Especially from 80s and 90s. Inspected by QIS and maintained by Kone. Maybe I forgot to say it's from 1982 and serial number is 9250. Somebody's coming. Okay, that's